Sure, it's a question everyone is asking. What is inside a modern... This is a Alpha Legend EAS pager. Quite a few people still use pages around. Wow, that feels like a self-tapping plastic screw. That's not good. I've covered up my numbers for security reasons. Why use a pager over, a mobile phone like the rest of the world? Well, they actually end up with better signal usually because they use radio. And they're much quicker to access. So I think for a lot of doctors and emergency services, these things are preferred. Now, how hard is it going to be to take apart? I've really got to not break this thing either. Wow, there is so much more stuff in there than I thought there was going to be. Not sure what that is. In fact, I've got no clue what that is. These are way more complicated than I thought they were going to be. Looks like we got some big RF module in there. I'm not going to take it apart any further because I need it to work. Clock. Yeah, dense. I don't know how much extra stuff you could fit in it and apart in there. I guess it depends on the model.